some candle rings that I usually use at Christmas. And then I also have these round Dollar Tree mirrors. Beautiful placemats, a gift from my sister Denise. And they're gonna look gorgeous on this green and gold tablescape. Hunter green napkins, and I also have gold napkins and gold flatware. Also, gold napkin rings, and then I have this multi-pack, and I wasn't sure exactly which one I was going to use, so I also have gold and green in this pack as well. I have the gold bowl chargers from Hobby Lobby, my green and gold Malacasa dinnerware that is absolutely gorgeous with that hammered finish. And I was just trying it out, and just so you can see here, these are actually curtain valances that I purchased some time ago, and I laid them end to end, and I kind of like the effect of that. I also took the tablecloth off the table and removed the leaf. So let's see how I feel about it. Next, I'm coming in with some mirrored gold coasters from Dollar Tree, some thrifted gold champagne flutes. I have these beautiful candle holders that I thrifted from 2nd Avenue some time ago, and I've been wanting to use them. I haven't found a tablescape for them. This may be it. And some beautiful green candles. And then I have some gold painted florals that I've had for quite some time, and it looks like some of the paint is actually coming off of them. And I have them in this beautiful vase that I got from Home Goods some time ago. So those are the things that I may or may not use. I'm gonna get everything laid out and I'll bring it back to show you how it's looking.
Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures. And if you're new here, welcome to the channel. I hope you return as a family member. Happy Tablescape Tuesdays, the weekly open collab hosted by the Ladies of Elegance, myself and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. Links to both our channels and the playlist will be in my description box below. So sit back and relax, grab your favorite drink, and enjoy while I finish putting this beautiful green and gold tablescape together to give you some inspiration for St. Patty's Day, and I hope you enjoy it. I hope you enjoyed today's green and gold St. Patty's Day inspiration tablescape. Please let me know what you think in those comments because you know I love hearing from you. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It helps out so much. And consider joining the Amethyst Adventures family. Honey, it's free, it's quick, and it's easy. Simply click on that red subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you will know when I upload a brand new video. Thank you for watching today, and please be sure to watch all the way till the end because I have a second look, a table for two. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.